This is Storm Track 12.
Well, quiet conditions ruled the day today on this Saturday, but things are quickly changing as we go into the overnight tonight. We've cooled off down to 34 degrees right now, and many locations have also done the same as we all get closer and closer to the freezing mark as the precipitation starts to approach. There's that low. It is sitting over eastern Tennessee, and the swath of precipitation going all the way around the northern and eastern extent of it. And as we zoom in a little bit closer towards the Twin Tiers here again, the rain has stretched all the way through Pennsylvania now, and we're starting to see some pockets of wintry weather now, especially in the northern portions of Pennsylvania, getting into southern New York as well. And at least for right now, things are still quiet across the Twin Tiers, but we're going to start to see that precipitation arrive the farther in the night that we go. I spoke about those temperatures. Again, everyone has finally cooled off now, down to freezing in green and just a few degrees above that in many other locations. So yeah, things are definitely getting colder, and as we do see that happening, we're going to see the freezing rain arrive later on tonight because temperatures will be cold enough at the surface to where rain that falls through the atmosphere will freeze on contact at a cold surface. So we're expecting a light ice coating in the light purple here across much of the western part of the viewing area, and maybe even higher totals up into the Catskills here, up to 1/10 of an inch of ice. So that's something we're keeping an eye out for. And freezing rain, it's going to arrive from 3 to 7 in the morning as we go into Sunday. It's going to last all the way through the morning until temperatures warm up enough to where we'll see a change over to rain, and then cold air is going to return again as we go towards sunset Sunday, changing everything back over to snow. So a very wintry mess is on the way for the day tomorrow. As far as impact is concerned, again, this isn't going to be a major ice storm, but we are going to see those slick spots out there. It's going to make it difficult to travel as we go throughout the day or through the overnight and through the day tomorrow. So we'll see the impact from the freezing rain, the snow, and the sleet. If you have to travel tomorrow, be sure to take it slow and take it easy. Let's check that out on Future Track again here. There's the pink on the map. There's that freezing rain as it enters in to the southern tier of New York, and it's going to be around all the way through the morning until we get into the afternoon. That's when things will warm up enough to where we see a change over to rain, and then there's the cold air on the back end. It's going to change everything over to snow by the time we get later in the day on Sunday, and then also into Monday morning. By that point, it'll be cold enough for just all snow. Let's check those temperatures out again tonight here, right near freezing as that precipitation arrives and moves in for Sunday morning. And then notice we stay there until the afternoon. That's when we'll get a few degrees above freezing. Everything will change to rain, and then it'll cool down once again, and then we'll have that change over to snow as we go into Monday morning. So for tonight, be right around 31 degrees. This is how cold we will get. Again, that freezing rain arrives in the early morning hours, headed into Sunday. And I just have a wintry mix up here on the day planner, but it's basically going to be freezing rain, over to rain, then over to snow, just a mess of things as we go through the day tomorrow there. But then on the back end, things dry out midweek coming up, and then we have another storm next weekend.
At least it's just one day of a wintry mix. I mean, at least it's not going out throughout the days, because then that could be really messy.
That's right. The time extent is a big deal, and it's going to be shorter, so we should be all right.